Hello guys, this is Ivan speaking. Today I want to represent one new trading system, especially for all of you which like to trade trends, which want to follow the trends and catch the trends. This is the fantastic right system for you. The name of this system is Trend Lock system. So Trend Lock system is specialized to catch and trade the trends only. So how it works? Very simple. You have few indicators here, few confirmations, but I can tell you, when you catch the real trend, then you can make a lot of money. It can be traded on all time frames. If you want to make scalping, you can use maybe M5, M15. But for real results, if you want to catch the trends, minimum 1 hour time frame is needed, and 1 hour is very good working here, you will see. Also you can use 4 hour. If you don't have time, you can use daily charts, even weekly charts. It all depends about your time available, about your trading affinities, and also it is traded not only for a forex pair, it can be traded for stock, indices, crypto, anything you like. This is all is based to catch the early trend, so do not wait. Some systems have also a trend system, but always catching the trend too late when the trend is over. We want to catch it in the beginning of the trend. When we have, of course, some confirmation here, then we go into the trade. This system is available from tomorrow, and from tomorrow until the Sunday, so during the weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we have a special introducing offer, which will be 40% off the regular price. So 40% discount from, let's say, from today, because it's almost end of the day, from today evening until the Sunday, 40% off. Now let's explain how it works. These black arrows are first sign of a trend we want to catch. So when we got these black big arrows, we know that the very close is the trend to be changed and to start new direction of the trend. So we are then waiting for two confirmations. So this is one element. This turbo trend indicator is the second, and this indicator is a confirmation. So the most important is that you have direction of the trend. Then you wait for a sell. This turbo trend must give you these red signs, red candles, and you trade not at the first, you trade at the second. I will put it here, mark. Here you enter the trade. So not on the first red, you on the second. Then the price must be under this trend, turbo trend. So it must be under, not, let's say, like here, it's over the red candles. Trend, this is the trend turbo candles. And this is final confirmation. This black line must be under the dotted green line. So you see, at that moment we have all confirmed. So this is not repainted, and when you have this confirmation, you can be very sure that you will catch a trend. So here we catch the trend and we keep it until we have a crossing, so that means the trend is changing, or until the first candle is going up over this red zone. So here will be exits and make 100 pips. What next? Next, until you have trend, bearish trend, or put, let's say put trend, sell trend, you only take the red or bearish trades. So here again you are waiting here for a confirmation here, but you don't have it. You see, it must go under, so you will wait until here, and here you will take a trade. Of course, when it will cross over, or you will get opposite signal, then you will exit. So you do not exit, you keep it until this line is in the trend direction, so under the green, until this is red, and until you have next opposite signal. So now what we are getting here, we get the change of the trend here. But we do not jump into the trade, we need confirmation. As we said, first blue, second blue, and here we can enter, because of course here this line is going up too. So here we'll enter and we can make 140 pips. Then we get opposite signal and we wait for red, and so on, so on. See here, one trade, another trade. You see, this is very interesting here. This is in the May. We get here the trade, and we'll enter somewhere here where you have confirmation. We'll finish here. Okay. Then nothing. We do not take a red downtrend, because why? We have general trend is up, bullish. So we wait only the blue candles, blue trend candles. This is what we need to see. And what is happening here? We get it, first one, second one. And you see it is up, going up over the green. This is over the blue line. And here we could take a trade and make 160 or something pips. We exit somewhere here when it goes down, or when it crosses down the line. Then we do not trade this red, we wait another for blue. Why blue, not red? Because we have what? We have uptrend signal. So we are in the, let's say, buy trend condition, in the bullish trend condition. So again we are waiting for the setup, first blue, second blue, but this is not confirmed. We should wait maybe until here. Yes, here it is confirmed, and we are very satisfied. You see how much we can catch. Then we have a red, but we don't trade because we have uptrend condition. So here again, you see guys, how many trades we can take only with one signal, with one trend. We can trade days, weeks, with only one trend direction. So here 1, 2, we do not have confirmation, we have it here, and boom, we can take from here another 100, 200 pips. Then today, 1 hour ago, we get this sign, so we wait for opposite trend. So this is on 1 hour, you can use 4 hour too. What is better with 4 hour? Less trade, but a much bigger profit or number of pips, and you do not have to watch your charts non-stop. Let's see this one. Nothing here. Boom, 600 pips, guys. 600 pips. Here, boom, 500 pips, and so on and so on. Weekly, there is a people which trade only weekly. Let's see what we will have if we trade it weekly. This is GBP USD on weekly basis. So signal is here. Weekly trend situation is going down. You see that for months GBP USD is falling down because the trend signal is down, and from the 2014 until almost 3 years the trend is going down. So guys, if you, I know that you haven't, because you didn't have this fantastic strategy, if you enter the trade here, you see guys, you will make, I don't know, 50,000 pips maybe. Let's see what we have made here until here. 4,900 pips. Then we'll exit here, and maybe you will tell me that trade here this. No. Why? Because we are in bearish downtrend situation. We are only wait for red candles, trend candles, and we get it, and we again trade here, we trade here, and that's it. On a daily basis also you can trade. This is a Bitcoin, you see, Bitcoin. Also, as I said, you can use indices, stocks, anything. So this is US 50, which SPX index. So if you have entered here on the second one, you see what you can make, almost 1,000 pips, and then the trend change, you see, and you will trade only buy. So from the March this year until today, you are in buy trend. You see, very interesting, because with one signal you can make many trades. So here you will trade one trade, 200 pips, then another trade, 300 pips. This is 500 pips, only with one, 100 pips, 600 pips, here nothing, 50 pips, 650, and the latest big trend is here, and until today you will make 300 pips. So only with this you will make about 700 pips, only with one asset. Very interesting. And for those which like scalping, you can go to, let's say, M5 or M15. Let's see what is about M5. The rules are the same. You get the main indicator, which means change of the trend, and you are waiting for 1, 2, second one. You need this black line under the green. This price must be under the red, and not bad for scalping. You can make 24 pips or even 74 pips only for scalping. We have downtrend direction here, see, and we only watch for red trend errors. This is not for us. And we get it. So also here we can trade and make some money. Then we have this flat market. When you have these small trend candles, it's not good time to trade. But again we have sell, and again we make our scalping trades, make another 20, 30, another, and here we stop because the trend has changed and we trade only blue or buy. So very simple. I know you have a question, maybe how do you have some alert or something? Yes, you have alerts when the trend is changing. You will hear this. You see? You will hear this sign, and even you can set up that you get pop-up message. You can set up it in indicators. But for me, its sound is enough to alert me that the trend has changed. So you'll be informed, alert, and then you can see what happened. You have time because you are not entering on the first change, always on the second. You need confirmation, then you need confirmation with it, and then you enter the trade. So guys, I hope I wasn't too long. I just wanted to explain really how this new, really fantastic premium trend lock system works. This is not repeating strategy, and catching the trends in all time frames, all assets, really works fantastic. You have seen everything here, and really it works like I have shown, just like that. There is no, if you do have such a bad situation that's so small candles, here you do not have to take a trade, or when the black line is very close or almost on the green, so that means that the market is flat. The best situation is when each turbo candle is bigger and bigger, and when the black line is going far from the green line, for downtrend, or here for the uptrend. This is what can help you in entering the trade. So guys, this was trend lock system, new system, trend system. If you want to use it, get it with 40% discount, please contact me on my email below. Have a nice day, and bye bye.